In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and update a table of contents in Google Docs. A table of contents is one of the easiest ways to make a document look more organized and professional. It also helps readers move through longer files more quickly, whether they're reading on screen or using a printed copy. The good news is that Google Docs makes this process simple once your headings are set up correctly. To begin, go to one of your section titles in the document and highlight it. Then move to the top toolbar and click the Styles drop-down menu. In many documents, this menu usually says Normal Text by default. From there, choose Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3, depending on where that section belongs in your document hierarchy. This part is important because your table of contents is built from these heading styles. Heading 1 is usually used for major sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for smaller sections underneath those. If your headings are inconsistent, your table of contents may not appear the way you expect, so it's worth taking a moment to apply the right style to each title. Once your headings are ready, place your cursor exactly where you want the table of contents to appear. In most cases, that will be near the beginning of the document. Next, go to the top menu. Click Insert, and then choose Table of Contents. Google Docs will give you two layout options. The first option uses blue links, which creates clickable links to each section. This is usually the best choice if you plan to share the document digitally, because readers can jump straight to the section they need. The second option includes page numbers, which creates a more traditional table of contents with dotted lines and page references. That version is often better for printing. After the table of contents has been inserted, keep in mind that Google Docs does not automatically update it when you rename sections or add more content. If anything changes, click anywhere inside the table of contents so it becomes active. You should then see a refresh icon, which looks like a circular arrow, appear above or beside it. Click that icon and the table will instantly update to reflect new headings or page changes. If you want to fine-tune the appearance, click the three dots icon beside the table of contents to open more options. In the panel on the right, you can toggle page numbers, change tab leader styles like dots or lines, and choose how many heading levels appear in the table. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner look and only want to show top-level headings. And that's how to create and update a table of contents in Google Docs.